October 14th, 2025, deputies responded to a road rage incident in the parking lot of a Publix supermarket.
I'm going where the fuck I want. Get over here. Get your hands off me. Why are you putting your hands? Stop putting your hands on me, man. I'm not resisting.
Put your hands behind your back.
Relax. Relax. I'm relaxing. But you're going to handcuff in the wrist.
Relax. Just relax. Relax, bro.
I am.
Let him do his thing.
I'm trying to.
All right.
Why are you hunting me?
Stop it, dude.
I'm not doing that.
Relax, bro. Traffic 16, step it up. All right. Don't resist. Stop it.
I'm not resisting.
All right.
But he ain't got no reason to put his fucking hands on me. I can yell at the top of my lungs. You guys, he's trying to burn us.
Stop it. Relax.
I am relaxed.
No, you're not.
This is all I'm giving you. Stay in the bad stuff.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. No problem. Give us a minute. Let me talk to them. They're going to be taking
That
over this.
cocksucker over there likes to put the handcuffs on extra tight to be a
Hey,
fat.
you're not going to
I
use
have
that
the freedom
word.
of speech. I can say what the
You don't have to spit on us.
I'm not threatening nobody. And
Put
I
your
don't spit
put your
on her.
feet.
What?
Put your feet in the car.
I'm not. I'm not. Why I gotta put my feet? Listen. No, you're fucking wrong. You know you're fucking wrong. Lady, you piece of shit.
No, maybe it's in his bag.
Hey!
Whoa! 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 Yeah, you got the right nigga. You. Whoa! Whoa!
Listen.
Whoa!
Those handcuffs
Whoa!
off as quickly as
Whoa!
you can. If you're not going to listen to me, then I'm not going to explain it to you. You're not under arrest right now. You're just detained.
I'm detained in the back seat. You didn't detain her. You're not detaining them.
They're not
I
acting
didn't
like you
threaten them.
are.
I didn't do shit to them.
They're not
It's
acting
bullshit.
like you are.
Yeah, cause I have PTSD. What you talking about?
Okay, I'm
What you
sorry.
talking about, dog? Don't talk to me.
Okay.
I'm not your friend. Devil worshiping ass. Devil worshiping ass. Wow!
We're retired people. We're just
Okay.
good folks.
Okay. Are you able to write a statement on what happened?
Yeah.
Okay. All right. Okay.
I don't know how much I can add to her. I was just behind them at the turn lane here coming into the Publix. That's when I first saw them. I actually thought he was yelling at somebody across the street because he was halfway out of his car, middle fingers, and screaming at them. And then we pulled in here, and they tried to kind of get away from him. So they came into the parking lot, and then they kept stopping and trying to go down things, and then he would follow them.
Okay.
And then they followed him probably 2, 3, and then I told the manager, because the manager seemed upset. One of the female managers, she was like, "Hey, is that what's going on over there?" And I said, "Honestly, I'd call the cops because they're like 90 years old looking, and this guy looks very aggressive." And then I went inside, so I don't really have much more than that.
Okay.
But he's been hot for 20 minutes.
Yeah, I'm most definitely gonna file the. I don't care. I'm gonna file with the Florida Department of Law Enforcement on your ass, though. Believe that, Bailey. Yeah. Yes, Bailey. I'm gonna file with the Florida Department of Law Enforcement. Patiently waiting. It don't matter none. It don't matter none, honky. Wow!
Echo 212.
Wow!
Old Kingsburg in front of the Elk Lodge. Florida
Dog.
36.
Gas all around the county. Don't worry about it. You're gonna see me again. I live here. I'm a resident of Palm Coast. Y'all. You always want to be a bunch of ass every day. Try your best. Oh, we ain't got him on nothing. I hope his camera was on too. I hope his camera was on. You attacked me, y'all. You Andy's.
Echo 222 Douglas. 1322.
You honkies.
Cleared, but we're going to...
Nasty ass.
As soon as the mother comes back, we let the family know to give us a ring and let us know so we can come do a check on her, so expect a phone call.
Nasty ass. Every time. All y'all nasty as nasty much of honkies. Nasty. All y'all ever do. That's why I don't believe you. That's why I'm not calming down, because y'all lie. Y'all lie like a... You're going to burn in hell for lying too. You're going to burn in hell. Touch not thy God's anointed. Touch me not. But y'all don't know nothing about God. You're going to learn though. You're going to learn quicker and faster. Quicker and faster. You're going to learn about God.
So he got into a road rage with the car that was parked here, which I don't know where she went.
She's behind the tree. She's going upstairs. Is that who you're talking about?
Oh yeah, that's her. This guy in the black truck follows her all the way in here, just going Looney Tunes. Apparently, she's handicapped. She pulls into the handicap space, and I guess he pulls in behind, and he's just going nuts. I guess he circles around a couple of times and he parks. And by the time he parks, he gets out and starts walking. I'm coming this way through the parking lot. Everybody way down there is like pointing, that's him, that's him, that's him. And I didn't know who he was until he was rattling his mouth off right here as he's walking by me. And I get out and he's just like, it's your statement. If you could write whatever you like. But yeah, anyway, he's right over here, and I step out and I said, hey, what's going on or something. He's just like, blah, blah, blah. I can say what the f I want. Well, he like steps like towards me, and I'm like, no, come here. And I grabbed him, and that's when I flipped him around and put him against my car. And I had him in a pretzel against my car, and I'm like, I didn't want to let him go either. Yeah.
Hugs and kisses and shit. I don't care. None of that. Y'all gonna burn in hell.
Sorry, the Town Center Publix status check. Publix, which is just for 1347.
This is bullshit. Y'all get one side of the story. This is some shit. You're getting one side of the story. Always one-sided. Always the black guy did it.
So tell me your side then.
Why? You already asked for one side of the story. I told my side. Nobody's asking me for my side. You're not taking it down and writing it as a report. Is your camera on? Is your cameras on? Nope. Nope. No, it's not. You're liars. You're a bunch of liars.
You see that little?
I don't care nothing about seeing nothing.
No,
I know y'all play it one way. You play this shit one-sided all the time.
You hear that beep? That's a recording beep.
Yeah, it just came on, huh?
Nope.
Exactly. Exactly. All right, lady.
So I'm trying to get your side if you want to tell me.
I'm trying to tell you my side.
Okay, hold on. Before we talk, let me read you something.
Don't read me nothing. I want my lawyer. I want a lawyer. Because you're not reading me shit and then taking my side of the story. You're not reading me shit and taking my side of the story. Okay. That's what the bullshit is. You want to go and get these word as if it's word life, as if that's exactly what the happened. No, this is my calm. Y'all don't realize this is as calm as I'm gonna get.
Listen, I'm not arguing that.
Lady,
if we're gonna talk,
I'm not talking to nobody. Am I under arrest?
Yes, sir.
Okay. I would like my stuff. I would like my phone. I would like my guns. I want all my shit to come with me.
Okay.
I would like my property.
Okay, your phone, your gun.
I would like my property, please.
Is there anything else?
My bag, my phone, my gun, my wallet. I want all my property to come with me.
Okay.
Period, point blank.
Yes, sir.
I've been driving close to 58 years, and that guy was trying to go through me.
Yeah.
Ridiculous.
Yeah.
And
yeah.
I know you may have an emergency, but in that case, when you come, you don't curse the person out.
Yeah.
I'm going like this. The guy's cursing me out. I'm going, what the heck
And then
happened?
he kind of cut us off.
Okay.
And then he was on us. He wouldn't, and then he parked right behind us.
Yeah, people have anger, so.
Yeah.
you
Well,
just-
I know
yeah.
that. I know that.
Appreciate your time. Yeah.
Love to start some shit and then call the goddamn sheriffs. You with me first. I'm going where the I planned on going. Ooh, I'm scared now. We call the police. He's threatening us. Nobody threatened him. The is full of shit. And your sheriff's officer stood in front of me and grabbed me the up for no reason. For no reason. No rights being read. Shit. Not a amendment rights. Nothing. Let's put him in handcuffs, ask him to get in the back seat and take his ass to jail. Yeah, right. Yeah, right. I'm going to file charges with everybody. And it's not going to be a complaint with the Flagler County Sheriff's Office. It's going to be a complaint with the Florida Department of Law Enforcement in Tallahassee. Names and badge numbers. Exactly where the they fucked up at. Thinking that a black man don't know how to file paperwork back to back to back to back for the rest of his life. Every day I'm going to file paperwork on their asses.
Yes, sir.
Every day. Every goddamn day I'm going to file a complaint against y'all ass. Every day. Every day. Everyone named in the I'm like the rest of my life against y'all. Every day. Flagler County Sheriff's Department. Just gonna get called up. Calling the Florida Department of Law Enforcement every day about one of you motherfuckers for the rest of my goddamn life. Y'all be having the wrong black man to with. Somebody ain't got nothing to do but file paperwork every day. Whoa! Whoa! Yeah! Yeah! Let's go! Woo! Let's go! Get! Get! Woo! 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 Oh! Let's go! Woo! 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 Yeah! 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 Woo! Woo! Let's go! Let's go! Bunch of Klan members. Let's rock and roll.
He was later charged with breach of peace and obstruction without violence. If you found this video informative, make sure to like, comment your thoughts below, and subscribe for more real police body cam footage and true crime content.